welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Amanda, and in this video, I'm sharing some incredible fall fashion finds with you from Walmart. These are affordable, budget-friendly fashion finds that will take you from summer into fall. And if you're a teacher, definitely stay watching because you want to see these teacher-approved outfits for back to school. If you love Walmart fashion, consider sticking around by hitting the red subscribe button. I share Walmart fashion hauls all the time on my channel, and I'd love to have you join our community. First piece I want to talk about is this gorgeous dress that I have on. This is a cotton midi dress. It's from Free Assembly. I was shopping in store at Walmart and this print immediately caught my attention. It felt so fall and also felt like something that teachers are going to love to wear. It's a midi dress with an adjustable tie in the front so you can tie it in a bow. This dress, I did grab a size small, so I would recommend sizing down if I were you, just because the medium had too much fabric at the bottom for my liking, so definitely consider going down a size if you are in between. I love the print to this dress, and it has cap sleeves, so your shoulders are covered if that's something that you need to do in the school. I wore this dress today, actually, earlier for a coffee run, meeting up with my mom and my sister, and it was breathable, lightweight, perfect for the weather here in Florida in August. This is a stunning option. It's $34, and I definitely would recommend this dress if you want to find something to take you from summer into fall. You can wear this with some flats right now, and then in the fall season, you can dress this up with some ankle booties. I also want to mention this incredible work tote. I shared this in my previous Walmart haul, so I'll have that linked up in the cards for you to check out after this one and down below in the description box. This work tote from No Boundaries reminds me of Lawn Champ, except this one is $20, so it's very affordable, and I actually wore this out with the dress that I have on earlier in the day. This amazing nylon work tote comes in tons of different colors, so if you want to have fun, you can go for the blue one. I just went for khaki. I wanted the most versatile work tote option. There's a compartment in the middle for your laptop as well. It's nice and plush, so everything will stay safe. This tote bag also zips all the way across, and it's only $20. I definitely think this tote bag is going to be a top seller, so I'll have it linked down below if you want to check it out. Another beautiful dress. This one is from Time and True. I also stumbled upon this dress while shopping in store at Walmart, and I had to grab it and try it on for you. This is in a green and beige print. Another awesome summer into fall dress. I will show you how I styled it out for a coffee run recently, just with those cushion air ballet flats with that mesh detail that are trending right now. Those are also a find from Walmart. For this dress, I did also size down to the small. It's got elastic stretch in the middle, so you have that great comfortable elastic waistband. It does come in other prints, and I definitely have my eye on the leopard one because that is going to be a popular trend for fall 2025. A skirt find that I recently picked up is this chambray pull-on skirt. For this one, I do have it in a size medium. This skirt runs true to size, and I think this is such a great item to have in your fall wardrobe because you can definitely mix and match a number of different tops and cardigans. I think like a chunky knit cardigan and this chambray pull-on skirt is going to be the perfect look. Just pair it with some ankle booties and you've got a great chic fall outfit idea. I do like how this is chambray as well, so it's not like a true denim. It won't be keeping you too hot. For a summer outfit idea, I'm pairing this chambray skirt with a square neck tank top from Time and True. This is only $12, and chocolate brown will also be a trending color for this fall season. And of course, I completed the look with some leopard printed flats that are from Time and True as well. These I have in a size 10. My favorite pajamas from Joyspun. These are so good. If you haven't picked these up yet, now is your sign because they just released a ton of different fall prints and patterns. For me, I did opt for a solid green color, so I've got these on in a medium. They're amazing. I'm pretty sure by now this is like my 6th pair of Joyspun pajamas. I've got short sleeve versions, long sleeve ones, so every time they come out with a new print or pattern, I am definitely eager to get my hands on one. I liked the green. I dyed my hair a little bit redder, so I felt like green would be great to have in the fall. These have a nice blend of rayon and spandex, so they're super stretchy and comfy to wear around the house, to sleep in. They also wash and dry really nicely. I was talking about leopard as a popular print that we'll be seeing in this fall, and here's a new dress from Jessica Simpson. Now, I haven't tried out too much from her line at Walmart, but I definitely wanted to get my hands on a leopard dress to share with you. This one is great. It has a maxi length to it. You can wear this with flats right now for the summer and then wear this with some boots in the fall. I also think this dress would be beautiful for teachers heading back to school. This floral blouse from Time and True is something that you can also wear now with some shorts and wear later with some denim jeans. I'll show you how I would style this floral blouse with a pair of wide leg Sofia Vergara jeans. I shared these in my previous Walmart haul as well. These are so stretchy and amazing quality. Love the Sofia Vergara line for jeans at Walmart. I have these on in a size 10. I am bummed because this Joyspun set, this lounge set, is currently out of stock. That's one thing with Walmart. Their stuff comes in super quickly and it also leaves just as fast. But I do appreciate that Walmart will restock their top selling items. So definitely stay tuned with this video, and on the community tab, I'll keep you posted when Walmart does restocks. This Joyspun set is great material that reminds me of something you could get from Spanx. So if you're traveling, this is something that I was going to recommend. I also love how it's neutral. You can wear the top with a pair of jeans if you want. You don't have to wear the set together. This lounge set has rayon and spandex to it. I'm wearing the size medium. I'm so excited to share these Walmart fall fashion finds with you. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well. That's where I share a lot of my latest outfit ideas. It's at affordablebyamanda. I'll also share my previous Walmart try-on haul with you down in the description box below. Everything that I mentioned and wore for this video will be linked there as well, and in a pinned top comment. I'm so excited for the fall season. Let me know, are you excited for fall down below in the comments, and I'll see you in my next video.